Okay, welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian. Welcome to English with Adrian, helping you master English and discover the world. So, let's look at some words that are very similar in Spanish as they are in English. So, acción, action. It's this tion bit here, very similar, but with a T in English. Acción, action, like a shun, action. And colección, collection, collection, a shun sound. Collection, action, collection, action, acción. Formation, 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 formation. Formación, 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 formation. Again, this I-O-N, this T-I-O-N is a shun sound. Formation. Colección, collection. Diario, diary. This Y, this EO, is often replaced with a Y. Diario, diary. Very nice. Vocabulario, 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 vocabulary. Very nice. Again, this O, just here with a Y. And very similar spelling as well most of the time. Very similar spelling. Curioso, curious, or curious. Now, so this bit here, there's O, curious. It's curious. Oh, it's also really is lost. Just curious. Us. 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 Curious. Curioso. Curious. Delicioso. Also. Otra vez. Delicioso. Delicious. Again, an us sound. Delicious. Excepto. Except. Except is different. So in this case, we just lose the O. Just O is gone. Excepto, perfecto, and compacto as well. We're seeing an O there actually. Compacto, compacto, compact. Very similar pronunciation. The spelling is subtly different. Perfecto and compacto. And this is quite common for Spanish as well. A lot of the words that have an O at the end would simply be removed in English, and that's still known as the English version. Compact, compacto, perfecto, perfect, without the O, perfecto, perfect. Except, excepto. Delicioso, delicious. OSO, gone, delicious. Curioso, OSO, gone, delicious. And again with the O, normally a Y. Vocabulario, diario, diario, diary, with a Y. Subtle difference. Formación, formation, again the shun sound. Action, acción, and colección, just the shun in English. Collection. And the L, well, L is L, not a Y. And this is definitely not like a Y or ya sound, like Estrella, Estrella, or Marbella. It's Marbella. Or llama, llama, the animal. Animal, llama. Llama, llama. So that's a subtle difference there as well. L, L, and the L, just single L. How cool is that? So, shun, Y, diary, vocabulary, us, curious, delicious, except, perfect, compact. How cool is that? If you want to keep learning English, then subscribe to the channel below and press the bell notification next to it. If you want to master English and discover the world. Until then, bye for now.